This is a tutorial to build 8-pin, which allows you to permapin locations on a map with an image and a note. Now, 8-pin is a full comprehensive tutorial, including a 4-part video series and full documentation. It's built on Svelte, which is a web framework to build user interfaces easily, Tailwind, which is a CSS tool for rapid design, and Node.js, which is a runtime environment for JavaScript. So to get the most out of this tutorial, you need to be familiar with JavaScript. Now, the front-end code and styles are already in place, and so the tutorial will just work through the process of integrating the application to the Arweave block weave. Now, Arweave is unique because it serves as our storage service as well as our application service, and in addition to that, it's decentralized. So we'll use Arweave to read and write data for the 8-pin application, as well as deploy the application's code to Arweave to serve the app via a web browser. This tutorial will require about 2 to 3 hours depending upon your experience, and we'll go through each step to get you acquainted with everything going on. Enjoy building and visit dev.8pin.app to see 8-pin live.